Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today I've just this minute finished polishing this Mercedes set. Now if you come a bit closer, with these pieces they normally pop off because it has a plywood underneath. So what we've done here at GDK Veneering, we have actually bonded this burr walnut veneer directly to the aluminium using our special glues that we use for aluminium. So that is stuck to that, not a piece of plywood that will come delaminated in time. So there's two of them, and then you've got the two top pieces that sit above them two seat switch covers, and then you've got this one. Now this is made out of a fiberglass plastic, and these are a real pain to actually re-veneer, polish, everything about it is, it's all different shapes and angles, and it's really difficult to do it, but obviously we do lots and lots of these. So this one is done, it's finished, it's all nice and shiny, and I believe that these are getting a little bit rarer and rarer to actually get your hands on. So that's that piece, that's the ashtray door that matches it, that goes into there, and that's it. By the way, you can see I've got my hat on because it's actually getting a bit chilly in the workshop now, and it's only going to get worse, colder and colder and colder. So on the videos I'll be more muffled up, but still doing the job we love, hence we'll stick it through no matter how much it gets colder and colder. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Like I said, please click like, share, and tell your friends, and subscribe on YouTube. Also, if you've got any questions, if you do have any questions on doing veneering, if you would like a quote, anything like that, please give us a call at GDK Veneering. We are on Google, we are on YouTube. Just type in GDK Veneering, it'll show you all our videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.